This is cabin 9200. This is a Scenic Grand Ocean View. As you come in, speaking of ocean view, I mean, look at that. What a great layout of this cabin. In fact, we're going to go right to the views. This is the very front of the ship. So imagine just sitting here, watching the world come at you. Good day or bad day. This is just great views, great light. There are curtains that come down, so if you want it dark, don't worry about it. As you see, a nice living space here, sofa, a couple chairs and a table. There's also a little chaise lounge there. You do have a desk over here. Power is, there's 2 power outlets and one 220. Nice little mirror, and then again, a little stool. You've got some drawers. This over here is where your mini bar would be, or mini fridge. You have 4 closets, or 4 doors, 2 big closets. Bed, either 2 twins when separated or a king when it is together. Let's take a look at that bathroom. By the way, there's your window controls right there. This is like a standard bathroom here. You do have a curtain, not glass. It's going to be a little bit tight for someone my size, but it's not bad. I'm 6'4", so it's not horrible. But the toilet isn't a great place for the tall or fluffy. Single basin sink, got a makeup mirror. Not too bad at all. So let us know what you think of this grand ocean view.